Today we're checking out this RT Scat Pack style rear spoiler for the 2015 to 23 Challenger. If you want to give your Challenger a more aggressive muscle car look without going too over the top, this spoiler is a really easy way to wake up the rear end of the car and make it look more serious from every angle. This spoiler is designed specifically to bring you that RT Scat Pack style, which gives the Challenger a more striking and more performance-focused appearance right away. That's gonna make this a great choice for somebody who wants more attitude in the back of the car without stepping into some huge race wing that changes the whole vibe of the car and can look out of place or a little bit cheesy. This is also gonna help improve downforce at higher speeds, which can support traction and stability. So there's at least some functionality behind the style here too. For a daily driver, a weekend cruiser, this is the kind of spoiler that works really well because it makes the car look more purposeful while still being natural on the body lines of the Charger. It also is sold with the mounting hardware for a really straightforward install, an easy way to add a more aggressive rear end appearance to the back of your car. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting durable ABS plastic construction with a black finish. That ABS material is built to resist cracking, warping, and weather over time, while the black finish helps it blend into the rear of the car with a clean and muscular look. It matches any other black trim you might have, or if you're going for a blacked out theme, this is gonna fit in perfectly with the other accessories. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the low to mid $100 range. That is a very affordable price in my opinion for a direct fit rear spoiler like this one, especially when you compare it to more expensive aero pieces or cheaper universal options that don't have the same fit or style. When it comes to the install on this, it's gonna get rated just a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in about 2 hours of your time, or even less if everything goes smooth. Now let's head on out to the shop. We're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you need a ratchet, a 10mm socket, a T15 Torx socket, tape, cleaning solution of your choice, a rag, and a knife. Today we're going to be installing a spoiler on our Challenger. Let's get into it. First, you need to remove this rubber grommet right here. Then you're going to remove this nut with a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Then repeat the same process on the other side. After you've done that, pry up on the spoiler. There's going to be tape under there. Since we've taken ours on and off a lot, the tape's not as strong, but for your first time, it's gonna be pretty hard. You just pull up. You're gonna fold it over. Then we're gonna grab a T15 Torx socket and remove these 4 screws right here. You can pull back on this cover right here. Unclip the backup camera. You can just stick this down here like that. Set this aside. Next, we're gonna wipe this surface off clean with whatever cleaning solution you want to use. I'm gonna spray this down. Just make sure whatever cleaning solution you use is safe for the paint, because sometimes it can eat through it. We're just gonna wipe this down. Then after you've done that, we want to plug up the holes that we're not gonna be using. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. These 2 are gonna hold down the spoiler, and we're also gonna have adhesive tape that's gonna hold it down, which you'll see in a second. So whatever kind of weatherproof tape you wanna use, you can go that route. Just going to start taping up our holes. Now we want to put our tape onto our spoiler. So you're just going to peel off the backing. You want to line it up with this edge right here. Then you want to take a knife. You want to cut it right about here. Then put it along this edge. Cut it right here. Then we get our other tape and do the same thing. And then cut this piece right here. And then it should look just like that. Now it's time to attach our spoiler to the trunk. So, just want to line it up like this. Screw that part in, do the same thing on the other side. And after you've done that, you just want to tighten it down. Then repeat the same process on the other side. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the RT Scat Pack style rear spoiler for a 2015 to 2023 Challenger. Thank you for watching, and remember, for everything Challenger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.